New Pooley Bridge, by GDH. This innovative and visually pleasing composite structure is a slender single-span bridge using stainless steel and high-strength concrete, and is the first road bridge in the UK to use stainless steel at this scale. As the riverbanks comprise of low load-bearing glacial till, the 7.5 meters long back spans are designed to transfer the horizontal component of the arch thrust to the deck, thus ensuring that horizontal reactions are not imposed on the glacial till and to enable a traditional transparent arch deck appearance. The back spans are hidden within reinforced concreted gravity abutments that are clad with local sandstone. The designers considered sustainability and whole life cost. Stainless steel does not require maintenance painting and can be recycled, and it has approximately 25% more structural capacity in comparison to conventional steel. Additionally, ground granulated blast furnace slag was used as cement replacement that enhances concrete durability. It is a good example of sustainable construction.